Hi, I'm John with S.O.S Heating and Cooling, and we're back with another tech tip. Today we're actually going to get into something furnace related. In the winter, it's pretty common to have what we call a flame sensor error. The flame sensor is just a little metal rod that sits in the flame and it makes sure that the flame is lit. If it doesn't detect the flame, it cuts off the gas and makes it so you don't have flame, because it's a safety to ensure that if your hot surface igniter fails, you don't fill the house with gas and blow up the house, which nobody would want. So if you're ever in a pinch and your elderly mom or something needs heat and it's the middle of the night, I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do to get heat back on until we can come out the next day and get everything sorted for you. So we have this furnace here. And before we do everything, we want to make sure that the power is off on the side, and this is only for you real handy folks, so if you hurt yourself, we're not liable. But so on this furnace, the hot surface igniter is over here and the flame sensor is over here, so we're just going to take off this little panel here. This right here is your flame sensor, so you can just unplug that. Unscrew this right here. And then this is your flame sensor, just a little metal rod. And so you can get a wire brush or sandpaper, Brillo cloth, really anything, but what I always use is just a dollar bill. And I just put it on there, kind of go back and forth on one spot, switch it to another spot, back and forth, and that will clean any of the soot or debris built up off of this flame sensor. And then to install it, you just put it right back in the same spot. And I always recommend, you want to make sure that you're getting your furnace maintenance. If you're having a flame sensor issue, it's not just something that you should be cleaning off every year, because it usually means that you're having improper combustion or you've got something in the furnace room that is causing that. For some reason, a lot of laundry rooms that have the furnace in the same room also have this issue. And that's also sometimes due to improper combustion from the dryer. And so make sure that after you have cleaned your flame sensor, you've got the wires back on, you've got the casing back in front, and everything hooked back up. Some furnaces won't have it right there, but it's always, if you follow the gas valve, your gas comes in this way, the burner comes this way, it's going to always be at the far side of your burner. At that point, you can turn your power back on, let it fire, and your furnace should start.